Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a API that I found out directly inside website on internet. It's a Chinese based API website which actually provides you with all the latest AI models including Claude, Fable, Claude, Opus, Claude, all the Claude Sonnet. As you can see, Claude Fable is also available, the latest version in Claude. We also have GPT, Quen, all the AI models directly present inside this website. If you sign up inside this, it provides you with free access up to, I think, free API credits you can get. I've given the link in the description. It's an overall API. You can actually code, video generate, image generate, everything you can do. So the very first step you need to do, you need to log in. So you can log in with your Google account or GitHub account. So once you log in successfully, it will grant you some credits by which you can try out this API website. To get the API key, it's quite easy. You go to the console section right here. So you simply set up your company, just fill out this information. And right here, you also have a playground section as well where you can play around all the APIs. So right here, you select the model. So it does provide you with the free trial. So after selecting the model, as you can see, we selected Claude Fable. So they also provide you with the code section as well, so you can directly integrate this API. So this is a call request. You can even make a Python script as well. Here you need to replace your API key. This is your base URL. Also, you can integrate through JavaScript. So inside this playground section, you submit your message. After that, it will respond to you. So you can see I submitted hi and it is actually working. I can simply say top 10 frameworks. So in this easy way, you can actually use Claude Fable, Claude Opus for totally free. So I can ask a question right here, top 10 frameworks of Node.js in 2026. So as soon as you type this message, it will research and it will give you the top 10 frameworks. It's really fast. So it's very easy to integrate. It does provide you with a playground section. So as you can see, we are using Claude Fable, which is the latest version. And now to integrate this, it's quite easy. You let me do this in Python. So I copy this code and just open your VS Code and just create a file here. app.py I create, I paste the code. So now right here, we need to submit this API key. So it's very easy to integrate. So now to get the API key, it's quite easy. You go to the settings section and right here you select this option API key management, and from here you select, just give it a name. Some text will be in Chinese, so just create this. Your API key will be created and simply paste it. And just after pasting it, so right here we saw the model is, as you can see, Claude Fable 5, and we are asking a question, so we simply submit hi there. We can change this to, let's suppose I can simply say build a image to PDF web app in browser. So I can simply send this message, and to run this it's quite easy. Go to the terminal section and simply run this Python file. So after running this Python file, it will make the request to the API using that model Claude Fable. It's a very useful website. It provides you with free unlimited access to Claude Fable. So repetition penalty, you need to define this value. I put this undefined. So just put this 0 and again run this. So I've given the link in the description. You can log in with the multiple Google accounts to get those free tokens. So now you can see that it's building out a free image to PDF application using that Claude Fable model. And it is actually building this, writing all the source code inside the terminal. So it's very easy to integrate API, guys. You can see with your own eyes. I am just integrating it and using it through Python. You can directly use their playground section as well. You can use the Claude latest models, Claude Fable, Claude Opus. So no website provides this, but this Chinese website I recently found out on internet just 3 weeks ago, and I just wanted to make a video on this. So you can see that it actually built out a complete professional looking image to PDF application. It's still generating the code. So once it completes, you will get a notification. So just wait for the API to finish generating the code. So you can even write this inside a file. Just update the Python script to save this code inside a file. So it also generates a description as well. So you can see that it generated a fully fleshed image to PDF application. And now the next thing is that you can also integrate through a which is Clean. This is a VS Code extension through which you can integrate any third-party API. Ru code is also there, but I trust Clean. Simply install this extension, and I've already installed it. So interface is quite easy. You just need to replace the values, go to the settings, and from here the API provider you need to select open router. After selecting the API provider to open router, and right here you need to replace the base URL. So this will be your base URL. So simply copy this. First of all, paste this API key. So after pasting this API key, yeah, so sorry, you don't need to select open router. uh, you need to select OpenAI compatible. Sorry, OpenAI compatible, and then just paste this base URL and also paste this API key. After pasting both these details, click on the done button. That's all that you need to do for the configuration. And after that, click start a new task and just press enter a message hi. So now this API will respond to you. The model you can replace. I think I haven't replaced the model name by default. You need to replace Claude Fable 5. Click on done. So, so this is an API key. I showed you guys. It's quite easy to get this. I've given the link in the description. You can follow this. And you can add more payment as well. After your trial credits are over, you can add a payment method as well to top up. It's quite easy to integrate that. Simply enter your credit card details through Stripe, and you can add more credits as well. But the free account is more than enough that I showed you. You can just create a Python script, or through a VS Code extension you can actually integrate this OpenAI compatible AI model API, which contains hundreds of models. We have Claude, Fable, Claude Opus, all the latest AI models. So it also has a playground section. You can change all the models. We have GPT, we have Claude, Gemini, GLM, all the models. We can change it to Claude Opus, and then enter high. So then also it will respond to you. So you can see that now we are using Claude Opus, which is completely free. So this website is really insane, guys. I haven't entered any credit card information, still it is responding. You can use any premium models directly using this API website. It is quite easy. You can change it to Gemini, you can change it to any model. So definitely check this website out. It's a Chinese-based website, and the instructions are quite easy. I've showed you in this video. Definitely check this out. Please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Also comment if you like this website or not.